Okay, Sairam everyone. So today we are going to continue what we did the previous period. That is, we will see the exercises of prepositions and in Tata Edge class. Okay. So Sairam to all of you, those who are coming, and here I'm presenting the screen. Request all of you to mute your mics. Someone's mic is on.
Mahima.
Okay, Mahima, please off your mic.
Here is a paragraph from a new Samprat.
I think we had done all this, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Prepositions at.
Okay, I'll tell only one child to navigate. Navigate होता है हम guide करना, ठीक है? So I'm telling Cherry, okay? Others will mute their mics.
Preposition.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's see how.
I will ask this man walking along the pavement. Hello, could you please guide me to Hotel Triumph? Sure. Take a left at the next crossroad and drive through a shady tree-lined street. Take a right when you see a crossroad with the sculpture of a horse in the middle of the road. You will soon approach an old bridge under repair. By the way, it has been under repair since 2011. Take the diversion, although that road has been damaged for several months too. When you see an open plot between two clumps of trees, pull into that space. They allow parking there on Saturdays and Sundays.
See, preposition of time. On is a preposition of time and it is used with days and dates. So these two are days that meet me on 5th of September, if I say. The Children's Day is on 14th of November. So you use on. And when you have to say for this is showing position between आपको पता है with two things are there and उसके बीच में कोई चीज है तो हम between यूज करेंगे. And अगर दो से total three से ज्यादा है चीजें तो it will become among. That we did last time. And into is a motion. Motion मतलब चलती हुई चीज. जो चीज मूव करती है तो it is in motion.
Walk across the road and you will see Hotel Triumph beside the entrance to Enjoy Park.
Across, again movement हो रही है. Across मतलब यहाँ से वहाँ जाना, आर पार. And beside is बाजू में. That is also this is this one of place. बाजू में मतलब जगह बताइए कहाँ पर है वो. So it's about a place.
Besides, you will be able to recognize the hotel easily because it is the tallest building among all the buildings in that area.
See, among what I was talking about, among all the buildings मतलब सारी buildings, obviously वो 3 से ज़्यादा है, so you will use among. It is the tallest among that. Like if I say in your class, who is the tallest boy in your class?
Hemant. Hemant.
Hemant. Okay, very good. So we can say, yes, listen to this sentence. Hemant is the tallest boy among, or sorry, Hemant is the tallest among all boys in the class of 6th B. समझ आया? अब वो 3 से ज्यादा हैं लड़के तो among आएगा. Okay? And if I'm talking about a position, then it is like if I say two people, 3 people are, again that day also I told you, like Mahesh is sitting between Manav and Dhaval. Okay, between मतलब इन दोनों के बीच में बैठा है. That is also a preposition of place. And remember, when S comes in beside, so it becomes the meaning changes and becomes in addition to. इसके अलावा, इसका मतलब हो गया इसके अलावा, और सिर्फ beside का meaning होगा बाजू में. The previous slide what we saw.
Thank you very much. I hope I reach the hotel by 6 o'clock. The conference is supposed to start at 6:30.
And when you're specific, you use at. Specific time के लिए. Exact time. By is, it actually means over here, उतने बजे तक. ना उससे कम ना ज्यादा, उतने बजे तक हम पहुंच सकते हैं, उससे पहले भी पहुंच सकते हैं. Okay, so this was the activity. Now we'll see the next one. It's maybe a practice one. Yes, it is practice. Now you'll enjoy this. In this, I'm telling you the rules. कोई mute का बटन नहीं ऑन करेगा विदाउट माइक का बटन until and unless I take your name. और एक बच्चा जब मैं जिसका नाम लूंगी सिर्फ वो बच्चा जवाब देगा. किसी ने आउट ऑफ चांस दिया तो आई विल टेक आउट दैट पर्सन आउट ऑफ द मीटिंग. यहाँ ऑप्शन होता है आई कैन इवन मेक यू सिट आउट ऑफ द मीटिंग, मतलब आप लेफ्ट हो जाओगे फिर. ओके, सो आई विल टेक द नेम्स एंड you will tell your name first and then you will tell the answer. If that person is telling the wrong answer, I will take some other child's name. Okay? Who is roll number 1? Cherry, who is roll number 1?
Ma'am, Arav.
Arav is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arav, you will tell the first answer.
Now that you have learnt about the different kinds of prepositions, let's take a short quiz. Identify the kind of preposition used in the sentence given below. Select the correct kind of preposition and then click Submit.
You tell me the answer, I will click. Arav, this is for you. Arav, are you there? Give an answer. Okay, roll number 2. Who is roll?
Ma'am, Anubha.
Anubha. Anubha, are you there? पहले sentence पढ़ो Anubha. ये भी नहीं है मीटिंग में.
Ma'am, Anubha is not there. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
she's not there. Okay, who is roll number 3?
Anuj.
Anuj. Anuj, are you there? Anuj is also not there. Cherry, Anuj is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Roll number 4.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, attendance.
Okay, beta. I'll just come back to the meet. Okay. Aksha is 4. Okay. Aksha, you will tell the next answer then. Yes, Aksha. Tell me the answer for this. Aksha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the sentence.
I kept walking till it's in dark.
Yes. And what is till in this? In 3 options में से एक सही है.
Ma'am, third.
Till. Which one?
Ma'am, third.
थर्ड. यू सी, आपको ये सोचना है क्या ये टाइम बता रहा है, क्या ये प्लेस बता रहा है, क्या ये मोशन बता रहा है. ये वर्ड टिल. आई केप्ट वॉकिंग टिल इट वॉज डार्क. मैं तब तक चलती रही जब तक अंधेरा नहीं हो गया.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, time.
टाइम.
Ma'am,
वेरी
time.
गुड. ठीक है, अब आगे ना आप अगर उस सेंटेंस को समझोगे तो आपको अपने आप समझ आ जाएगा कि टिल का क्या पोजीशन है वहां. इट इज ए preposition ऑफ टाइम.
That's correct.
गुड.
The preposition till has been used to show the duration here and is a preposition of time.
Okay, good. Now next.
Identify the kind of preposition used in the sentence given below. Select the correct kind of preposition and then click Submit.
Roll number 5.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Archit.
tell better. Read the sentence first.
Ma'am, नहीं है यहाँ.
Okay. Okay. Now roll number 6.
Aryan.
Aryan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, Aryan, read the sentence.
ma'am. The knife cut through the apple smoothly.
Good. Through. आप उसको इमेजिन करो. The knife cut through the apple smoothly. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? तो through क्या कर रहा है?
Ma'am, third वाला preposition of motions.
Okay, we'll try that.
That's correct. A preposition of motion shows the movement to or from something. Here, through shows the movement of a knife.
Good. Through में motion हो रहा है. Motion मतलब चल रहा है वो. Through होता है आर पार. Okay. So the knife से एप्पल बहुत स्मूथली कट गया. Through the knife. उसके आर पार चला गया. Good.
Identify that denotes place in this sentence. Click the preposition of place and then click Submit.
Now she's telling preposition of place. So roll number 7 after
Ma'am,
Aryan.
me.
Okay, Cherry. Tell me that word which is the preposition of place.
Okay, ma'am. मैम ऐसे बोल सकती हूँ जैसे वॉशिंग मशीन एक ही वर्ड या फिर अलग अलग.
No, आपको सोचना है ना, नाउन या कुछ थोड़ा ना बोलना है. आपको preposition बोलना है. सिर्फ वन वर्ड है वो, सिंगल वर्ड.
ओके मैम.
उसको बार बार
मैम एट.
ऐड तो किसको बता रहा है? टाइम को बता रहा है बेटा. हमको प्लेस बताना है. तो ऐड इज द रॉन्ग आंसर. ध्यान से पढ़ो सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट रीड द सेंटेंस लाउडली.
I put the clothes in the washing machine at 10 a.m.
preposition of place. एक और preposition है इस लाइन में. ढूंढो कौन सा है वो.
Ma'am, in.
Very good. In.
That's correct. A preposition of place shows where something is located. Here, in denotes where the clothes have been placed.
Okay. Very good. Okay, तो ध्यान से सुनना है और समझना है. समझ के आंसर देना है. Now, at is the preposition of time.
Identify the preposition that denotes motion in this sentence.
Wait,
Click the preposition of motion, then click Submit.
बेटा पहले से नहीं बोलना ना. Let her, ये जो बोल रही है आंटी जो भी स्लाइड में, let her complete. And next to Cherry जो भी है अपना नाम बोलेगा और आंसर बोलेगा. It's not audible, beta. After Cherry, who is it?
Ma'am, Devanshu.
Devanshu. Yes, Devanshu, tell the answer. Preposition of motion. It's written up also on the top. Motion में क्या होता है? I told you. Devanshu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Devanshu, please answer on your mic and tell the answer. Okay, roll number 9.
Ma'am, Dhaval.
Dhaval. Yes, Dhaval. Tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want, you read the sentence first.
Yes, ma'am. He stumbled towards the house beside the lake.
इसमें दो preposition है इस sentence में. एक preposition of motion है और एक preposition of place है.
Ma'am, stumbled.
No, beta, that is a verb. That is not a preposition. Roll number 10.
Ma'am, Dhruv.
No. Roll number 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell your name, beta.
Ma'am, इसमें ma'am division.
Okay.
Ma'am, house is a place.
No, बेटा place ये तो noun हो गया है. ये noun है, house, lake noun है और ये pronoun है. ये है verb. Preposition है beside और towards. इन दोनों में से एक है preposition of motion. Motion किस में हो रहा है? Towards में कि beside में?
Ma'am, beside.
ओहो, अब लोग अभी तक समझ ही नहीं आया मतलब. इट्स एक्चुअली टुवर्ड्स.
Towards.
हाँ, उसकी तरफ जा रहा है, वो जा रहा है मतलब मोशन हो रहा है, मूवमेंट हो रहा है. बिसाइड तो स्टेशनरी होता है, मतलब बाजू में, वहीं पे है, वो खड़ा है या बैठा है. बट टुवर्ड्स में तो आप चल रहे हो ना. तो ही स्टम्बल टुवर्ड्स हाउस, मतलब वो घर की तरफ गिरा, वो घर जो लेक के बाजू में है.
That's correct. A preposition of motion shows movement. Here towards denotes movement of the person and is a preposition. Use the correct preposition of motion to complete the sentence. Select the correct preposition and then click Submit.
After Divya, whose roll number? Roll number 12.
Ma'am, Divyansh. Ma'am, लेकिन वो अभी लेफ्ट हो गया.
Okay. And try to speak as much as in English, Cherry, okay? 12. After Divyansh, 13.
Ma'am, Hemant.
Hemant. Read this sentence, beta
Ma'am,
Hemant.
Divyansh.
Okay, Divyansh, do you want to try this? Read this, Divyansh.
Yes. Make cricket ball has been dash the water.
My cricket ball has fallen dash the water. इसका आंसर बताओ इन तीनों में से.
On.
On. देखते हैं.
Not quite.
After Divyansh, who is it?
Ma'am, Hemant.
Okay, into.
That's correct. Into is a preposition of motion that shows movement of a thing going inside another.
ये देखो into the water, अंदर जाती हुई चीज में into यूज करते हैं. That day I told you a frog jumped into the well. उसमें मोशन हो रहा है, वो जाता हुआ दिख रहा है. So you use into.
Okay, ma'am.
Use the correct preposition of place to complete the sentence. Select the correct preposition and then click Submit.
Okay, this is again for Hemant. Read a sentence, Hemant.
The horse trotted the
Uneven.
uneven roads of the village.
Yes. Trotted होता है टक 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 जो आवाज करके वो चलता है. Horse. Along. Very good.
That's correct. Along is a preposition of place that indicates where the horse.
Because into होता है motion. Into तो आर पार थोड़ा ना जा रहा है वो रोड के. तो ये गलत होगा. Into sorry हाँ, और at एक टाइम के लिए यूज होता है ज्यादातर. तो we cannot say it is at.
Use the correct preposition of time to complete the sentence. Select the correct preposition and then click Submit.
Okay. Now if you see this carefully, who is the next roll number after Hemant? 14 roll number.
Ma'am, Hemlata, but she is not there.
Hemlata.
After Hemlata, ma'am, Janvi.
Janvi. Okay, Janvi, this is for you.
Yes, ma'am. The streets of the city were deserted dash midnight.
अब हिंदी में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. हाँ. Good. Tell.
By midnight.
By. Very good. It is a preposition of time.
That's correct. The preposition by indicates that the streets were empty not later than midnight. Use the correct complex preposition to complete the sentence. Select the correct preposition and then click Submit.
Who is after Janvi?
Ma'am, Jia.
Ma'am, Jia.
Jia is there?
Ma'am, but no.
Okay, she's not there. After Jia?
Ma'am, she left.
Okay, after Jia?
Ma'am, Mahesh.
Mahesh.
That's the weather report. There will be heavy showers tomorrow. According to.
Yes, excellent. According to मतलब उनके हिसाब से. Okay.
That's correct. The complex preposition according to makes the meaning of the sentence complete. Complete the passage by choosing the correct prepositions. Click the correct preposition for each highlighted blank and then click Submit.
Okay, after him, is it Manav?
Ma'am, Mahima.
Okay, Mahima, start reading.
Ma'am, in
No, you
she
start.
arrived.
She arrived. Start reading from she arrived.
She arrived in the railway station out of breath and moved.
आप उसको इमेजिन करो उस सीन को. शी एक लड़की को इमेजिन करो जो रेलवे स्टेशन पे है. आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ मतलब जिसकी सांस, जैसे आपकी सांस फूल जाती भागते भागते जब आप आते हो. आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ एंड मूव्ड द टिकट काउंटर, मतलब क्या हो रहा है, वो मूव कर रही है उसकी तरफ. महिमा,
इसके बाद मेरा रोल नंबर.
Okay, wait, I know better. Wait. Okay, Mahesh, you can start from the beginning. Sorry, not Mahesh, Manav.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
She
better.
arrived
Ma'am, today is Mahima's birthday.
Oh, it's Mahima's birthday today. Okay, in the end of the class, we'll sing a song, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind me.
Ma'am, she arrived at the railway station out of breath and moved.
Wait. I'm resetting it. She arrived at the railway station out of breath. Say breath.
Yes, ma'am.
My breath.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell this word again.
Ma'am, breath.
Breath.
Yeah,
Hai,
ma'am.
breath.
Ma'am, breath.
Good. Breath and moved.
And moved. Uh, in
ये किसी का माइक ऑन है, कुछ हो रहा है उनके घर पे, घिसाई या कुछ. Yes बेटा. Moved.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, moved in the ticket counter. Ma'am, towards. Yes.
उसकी तरफ जा रही है ना बेटा, मूवमेंट हो रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, continue.
The ticket counter, she saw the indicator board and stopped in front of it.
Wait, who is this? Who is reading this instead of Mana?
Mehak.
Acha, okay, Mahek, हाँ, she start from here again. She saw the indicator board.
She saw the indicator board and stopped in front of it.
In front of it, okay. Continue, Mahek.
Relieved that she was not late, she called her mother. Mom, I will be New Delhi, lunchtime, don't worry about.
So what will come here? I will be
In New Delhi,
okay.
bye.
By lunchtime. Don't worry about me. Okay, let's see the answer.
That's correct. Remember that each of the prepositions.
See, this is preposition of place. Here at is even used for time, but is also used for place. Towards again is place. Position. Then in front of is position. Here it is. Towards is motion. चल रहा है, मतलब उसकी तरफ जा रही है वो. Mom, I will be in New Delhi. मतलब मैं दिल्ली पहुंच जाऊंगी lunch time तक. By lunch time. Okay, very good, Mahek and Manav. Very good.
मैम
Use the preposition
One
to
second.
complete the.
Yes, बेटा.
मैम आपने मेरे से पूछा ही नहीं.
हाँ.
मैम आपने मेरे
हाँ, वो
से पूछा ही नहीं. मैम मनस्व
नाम बताओ बेटा. मनस्व.
मैम,
अच्छा,
मनस्व
आपका
साहू.
पहले था.
मैम, मेरे से पहले था.
Okay. ठीक है. मनस्व, now you tell. This is for you.
She saw her mother standing at the window at
the window. Why is this not clicking?
Ma'am, video is paused. Ma'am, paused.
Huh?
Ma'am, paused. Wait.
Okay.
The sentence. That's correct. At is used as a preposition of place here, denoting where the mother is standing.
Good, Manasva. Very good.
Use the correct preposition to complete the sentence.
Yes, this is after Mehak. Who is it?
Ma'am Payal, but she is not there. Ma'am, then Pranav.
Pranav. And what is Pranav's roll number?
Ma'am 23.
23. Pranav, read this sentence.
I have been trying to find a house that for months.
Okay.
That's correct. For is a preposition of time that is used to denote a period of time, such as 4 months.
Excellent, Pranav. Very good.
Use the correct preposition to complete the sentence.
After Pranav?
Ma'am Pranjal. Ma'am Pranjal.
Okay, Pranjal. Start
Uh,
reading.
her bungalow was dash our house. Beside her,
हाँ, beside की besides, आप बताओ कौन सा आएगा? मैंने दोनों का डिफरेंस भी बताया था.
beside.
Beside, very good.
That's correct.
ओके, besides का मीनिंग होता है in addition to, मतलब उसका घर, उसका बंगलो, उसके अलावा हमारा घर. ये तो कोई मीनिंग नहीं हुआ, है ना? बट अगर हम beside यूज करेंगे, उसका बंगलो हमारे घर के बाजू में है, इसका मतलब होता है बाजू. नेक्स्ट टू.
Use the correct preposition to complete the sentence.
Yes, after Pranjal.
मैम प्रवंशिका.
Yes, Pravanshika.
I shall leave the office. There's 5 minutes.
Which one?
At
At. I think it's wrong, beta.
Not quite. The preposition of time.
Try once again, Pravanshika. मैं ऑफिस 5 मिनट में छोड़ूंगा, मतलब मैं 5 मिनट बाद चला जाऊंगा ऑफिस से. तो क्या होगा? ऑन तो हो नहीं सकता, ऊपर होता है. और
in
आप only Pravanshika was supposed to do it.
That's correct. The preposition of
Here in means मैं 5 मिनट में ऑफिस छोड़ूंगा. में का मतलब होता है in. Okay, thank you, beta. I'm telling you, always remember that whenever you're stuck up, translate the sentence into Hindi. अपने मन में हिंदी में उस सेंटेंस को ट्रांसलेट करो, और फिर जो आंसर आएगा, जैसे मे आया, इसमें मे इज इन, ऐसे उल्टा चलते हैं. ओके.
complete the passage by choosing the correct prepositions. Click the correct preposition for each highlighted blank and then click Submit.
Okay. Now whose chance is it after him? Pulkit. Okay, read this.
पुलकित.
I'm giving you 2 minutes. अभी एकदम आंसर मत बताना शुरू करना. आप पूरा पैराग्राफ 2 मिनट्स लगा के सोचो, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. थोड़ा मुश्किल है ये, मगर हो जाएगा. एवरीवन ट्राई इट आउट, बट डोंट गिव द आंसर. ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू 2 minutes exactly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Which was just this? Still. मैम हो गया. Now
मैम
मैम हो गया.
Yes, beta.
He walked in the nearest hair salon.
He walked
In
into in. You're saying. Let's try this. In होएगा कि into?
into
Okay, but we have to reset it. Okay, into the nearest hair salon. Continue, beta.
which was in the street.
नहीं बेटा, आप उसको इमेजिन करो ना, जो आपने अभी पढ़ा है उसको एक पिक्चर बनाओ मन में, या आपके सामने हो रहा है वो. ऐसी शॉप है. हेयर सैलून आपको पता है क्या होता है? हेयर कट वाली शॉप जहाँ आप हेयर कटिंग के लिए जाते हो. दैट इज हेयर सैलून which is just dash the streets. Across the street, मतलब सड़क के उस पार है. हाँ. Next, dash many hairstyles displayed there. He chose a new crew cut. Dash.
Dash the many hairstyle displayed there. Till
बेटा आप तो तुक्के लगा रहे हो. Who is the next roll number after Pulkit?
Ma'am, Urvashi and Raju are not there. Ma'am, Rudra.
Then Rudra. Okay, Rudra, you tell what will come here. And Pulkit, आप सुनते रहना. Rudra, you're not there? After Rudra?
Ma'am, Sandeep, Shalu, Sumitesh are also not there.
Vedansh, tell this.
yes ma'am. Ma'am, कौन सा वाला?
This one, the one that is highlighted. And speak in English.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, can I read from first line?
But what were you doing? I gave all the children 2 minutes, na? तब
Yes.
आपने नहीं solve किया?
Ma'am, Tanmay की भी है.
Tanmay, can you tell the answer? You can also try. Dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Many hairstyles displayed there. He chose a crew cut. मतलब उसने एक चूज किया कईयों के बीच में. तो क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, ma'am, between.
No, I told you between में सिर्फ 3 चीजें होती हैं. उसमें लिखा है many. It's not written 3.
Ma'am.
Yes, Tanmay.
By.
No.
मैम हम बता सकते हैं.
Yes, Manav.
मैम
Among the many hairstyles displayed there, he chose a crew cut. Crew cut होता है जैसे आर्मी के जो जवान होते हैं वैसा वाला कट. I hope I am dash time dash my appointment. I hope
Ma'am, by or at?
I am on time for my appointment. My name is Mr. Khalid, he said. Sir, you have come a day early. वो कहता नहीं आपकी अपॉइंटमेंट तो कल है, आप एक दिन पहले आ गए हो. And an hour late. जल्दी एक दिन पहले और 1 घंटा लेट. You are supposed to come. You were supposed to come.
Ma'am, Virat.
At.
On. अच्छा ये.
मैम ऑन आएगा, वो गलत जगह लग गया.
हाँ ये गलत लगा है. ओके एनीवे.
मैम टिल होगा. टिल टाइम.
No. There's one mistake in this. Oh shit! Wait.
Here are the correct prepositions to be used in each blank.
Okay. In time. This was wrong. By mistake. Okay. It's almost time. I'll just 1 second. I'll log out.
Ma'am.
One second. I'm back in the meeting. And yes, now what we will do, we will we'll have a where is Mahima? Yeah, you on your camera, and the rest of you also जितने लोग camera on कर सकते हो please कर लो. Yes, now we'll sing for her happy birthday. Okay, और अगर किसी और का भी बर्थडे मैं भूल जाऊँ क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी तो मैं मिली भी नहीं हूँ तुम लोगों की क्लास में. बेचारी ने आज बर्थडे ड्रेस भी नहीं पहनी है, स्कूल ड्रेस में कर रही है. वेरी गुड गर्ल है महिमा. मुझे तो लगा सुंदर सी फ्रॉक पहनी होगी. गुड गर्ल. चलो हम सब गाते हैं, ठीक है? हैप्पी बर्थडे गाएंगे महिमा के.
जी मैम.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. Happy birthday to you. Birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. God bless you. May God bless you, dear Mahima. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mahima.
चलो सब लोग ना अपने अपने
Happy birthday, Mahima.
ओके
Happy birthday,
धवल
Mahima.
धवल एक सेंटेंस हिंदी में अच्छा सा गा दे तेरी सुंदर आवाज में
Yes, ma'am.
एक सुंदर सी अपनी आवाज में गा दो एक दो सेंटेंस हिंदी में
हम क्या गाना है?
कुछ भी गा दो तुम कोई पिक्चर का या किसी एक सेंटेंस बर्थडे का कुछ गा दो कोई मुबारक दे दो उसको एनीथिंग एनी टू सेंटेंस
Yes, ma'am.
Mahima, you can see the chat box. So many wishes for you.
Bye. मैम स्टार्ट करूं?
Yes, Dhaval.
बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिल ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू महिमा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। थैंक यू।
Very good. Will do. I see. I've clapped for you, Dhaval. My clapping has must have counted. Very good. Okay.
थैंक्स सर।
And yeah, and this is for Mahima. Okay. Take care, Mahima. Nice, na? Okay. Enjoy. God bless you, beta. Okay. Bye, bye, everyone. It's time. Now you can leave one by one. Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Sairam.
Saira ma'am.
सारा मैम।
Saira, ma'am.
Sairam to all.
Saira, ma'am. Saira, ma'am.
सायरा मैम।
Saira ma'am.
Saira, ma'am.
सायरा मैम।